Hi there. Welcome to Fashion Corner. Can I help you find anything today?
Hello, thank you. I'm just looking around for now, but maybe later. Your store looks nice.
Great. Take your time. We have a new summer collection by the front window. Lots of light tops and dresses.
Oh, nice. I actually need something for warm weather. Where is that section?
Just to your right as you came in. The big display with the blue sign says Summer Breeze. It's right there.
Perfect, I see it. Thank you so much. Do you have changing rooms?
Yes, absolutely. The changing rooms are at the back of the store, near the shoes. I can show you later if you need.
That's very kind, thanks. I might bring some items there soon. What time do you close today?
We close at 8 p.m. today. Plenty of time to browse. Let me know if you need different sizes or any help with returns.
Thank you. You've been very helpful. I'll go look at those summer clothes now. Have a good day. Excuse me, can you help me please? I'm looking for something. Of course. I'd be happy to help. What are you looking for today? I need a blue sweater. Do you have any blue sweaters in the store? Yes, we do. We have several blue sweaters. Do you know what size you need? I usually wear a medium. Can you show me where they are? Sure. The sweaters are over here, near the window. Follow me, please. Thank you so much. I really like this one. How much does it cost? That one is $45. It's very soft and comfortable. Would you like to try it on? Yes, please. Where are the changing rooms? The changing rooms are just around the corner. Let me show you the way. Great. And if it doesn't fit, can I return it? Yes, we have a 30-day return policy. Just keep your receipt. Perfect. Thank you for your help. You've been very kind. You're very welcome. Enjoy trying it on. Let me know if you need anything else. Hello, I see many sale signs here. What is on sale today? Good afternoon. Yes, all summer dresses are 30% off this week. They are on that rack over there. Oh, that sounds great. How long will this sale last? The discount is until Sunday. So you have 5 more days to shop. Thank you. What about these jeans? Are they on sale too? Those jeans are part of our buy one, get one half price offer. You can choose any 2 pairs. I understand. So if I buy 2 pairs, the second one is half price? That's nice. Exactly. Also, all t-shirts have a flat discount of $5 today. Would you like to see some? Maybe later. First, I will look at the dresses. Where are the fitting rooms? The fitting rooms are just around the corner. Please let me know if you need any help with sizes. Thank you so much. If I buy something today, can I return it later? Yes, returns are accepted within 30 days with the receipt. But sale items can only be exchanged or store credit given. Okay, I got it. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly. You're very welcome. Enjoy your shopping. Just call me if you have more questions. Excuse me, I really like this dress. Do you have it in a smaller size?
Sure, let me check that for you. What size are you looking for?
I think a size small would fit me better. This one is medium.
Okay, I will look on the computer. Just a moment, please. It looks like we have small in stock. It's in the back room.
That's great. Can you get it for me?
Of course. I will go find it right now. Would you like to wait here or look around?
I will wait here, thank you.
Perfect. I will be back in 2 minutes with your dress.
Thank you so much for your help. Excuse me, I like this blue shirt. Do you have it in a smaller size? Yes, of course. Let me check for you. What size are you looking for? I usually wear a small. Okay, I think we have small in stock. I'll go to the back room and check. Just wait here for a moment, please. Thank you so much. I'll wait. Here you go. I found the small size. You can try it on in the fitting room over there. Perfect. Where are the fitting rooms? They are just behind you, on the left side. Great, thank you for your help. You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else. Excuse me, I found these jeans. Can I try them on?
Of course. The changing rooms are just over there. Follow me, please.
Thank you. How many items can I take in with me?
You can take up to 5 items at a time. Is that okay?
Yes, that's perfect. I only have 2 things to try.
Great. Here is your changing room. Room number 3 is free.
Oh, wonderful. Does it lock from the inside?
Yes, it does. Just slide the bolt across. You'll be nice and private.
That's good to know. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Take your time. Just let me know if you need a different size.
Okay, I will. I might need a smaller size if these are too big.
No problem at all. I'll be right here by the counter if you need me.
Hello. Could you help me with something? Of course. How can I assist you today? I'm not sure about this dress. What do you think? Does it fit me okay? It looks lovely. The color really suits you. How does it feel around the waist? It feels a bit tight here. Maybe I need a larger size? Let me check for you. We have the same dress in size medium. Would you like to try it? Yes, please. Also, do you think the length is okay for me? The length is perfect. It shows just the right amount of leg. I'll get the medium size for you. Thank you so much. One more thing, do these sleeves look too long? Actually, they look just right. The sleeves hit exactly at your wrist like they should. Great. I really appreciate your opinion. My pleasure. I'll be right back with the medium size. Let me know if you need anything else. Hello. I think I want to buy these items today. Can you help me check out?
Of course. Let me scan them for you. You've chosen a nice dress and 2 tops.
Yes, I really like them. Do you think the blue dress fits me well?
It looks perfect on you. The color matches your eyes. Great choice.
Thank you. I'm also getting these tops for work. They are comfortable.
Smart choice. Our cotton tops are very popular. They are easy to wash too.
That's good to know. What about the return policy? Just in case.
You can return items within 30 days with the receipt. Tags must be attached.
Okay, that sounds fair. I'll take all 3 then. How much is the total?
Let me calculate. The dress is $45, and each top is $25. So total is $95.
Here is my card. Do you need to see my ID?
No, just the card is fine. Please insert it here and enter your PIN.
All done. Can I have a bag for these, please?
Certainly. Here are your clothes in a large bag. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much for your help. I'm excited to wear my new clothes. Excuse me, I bought this shirt yesterday. Can I return it? I think the size is wrong.
Hello? Yes, you can return items within 14 days. Do you have your receipt with you?
Yes, I have it right here. I put it in the bag. Is that okay? I haven't worn it.
Perfect. As long as you have the receipt and tags are still attached. Would you like your money back or store credit?
I would like my money back, please.
Certainly. I can process that refund for you right away. May I see your card? Or did you pay with cash?
I paid with my credit card. Here it is.
Thank you. Your refund will be back on your card in 3 to 5 days.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Please let me know if you need anything else.
Hello. I bought this shirt last week. I want to return it.
Sure, I can help with that. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is. I found it in the bag.
Great, thank you. Is there something wrong with the shirt?
It's a little big for me. I want something smaller.
Okay, let me check our system. You bought it on Monday, right?
That's right. Monday afternoon.
Perfect. We can exchange it or give you store credit.
I would like to exchange it for a smaller size. Do you have this in medium?
Let me check our stock. Yes, we have one medium left. Would you like to try it on first?
Yes, please. Where are the fitting rooms?
Just around the corner to your left. I'll keep the receipt here for you.
Thank you so much. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Take your time. I'll be right here when you're ready.
Hello, I bought this shirt yesterday. It is too big. Can I get a smaller size? Good morning. Of course, we can exchange it. Do you have the receipt with you? Yes, here it is. I think I need a size small instead of medium. Perfect. Let me check if we have small in stock. Just a moment, please. Yes, we have one small left. It's the same color and style. Is that okay? That's great. Thank you so much. Can I try it on first? Of course. The fitting room is right over there. I'll hold this for you. I tried it on. It fits perfectly. I'll take this one. Wonderful. I'll process the exchange for you now. Just sign here, please. All done. Thank you for your help. Have a nice day. You're very welcome. Enjoy your new shirt and come back anytime.
Great choices. Before you go, remember these final tips for shopping alone.
Yes, please. Help me remember the important things.
First, always keep your receipt safe. You need it for returns or exchanges.
Got it. I put it in a special pocket in my bag right away.
Perfect. Next, check the store's return policy. How many days do you have?
I saw the sign. It said 30 days for returns with the receipt.
Excellent. Also, try things on if possible. Sizes can be different between brands, right?
That's true. I always try jeans before buying them. It saves time later.
Smart. And finally, don't be shy to ask staff for help. We are here for you.
Thank you. You've been very helpful today. I feel more confident now.
My pleasure. Enjoy your new clothes and happy shopping next time too.
I will. Thanks again for all your advice. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Come back anytime if you need help.